Even though it is easy to detect cavities and larger metal objects with 3D ground scan, it is difficult to localize smaller metal items such as coins, rings and jewelry. With the SRIS search coil you will detect even small metal objects close to the surface. The coil can be activated when setting up the operating modes, live sound, and 3D ground scan. Start a new measurement by clicking on Import. Select your detector and the interface. Choose the operating mode. In this example we use live sound. Choose vertical probe orientation with enabled coil. Confirm your choices with OK and press the trigger button to start scanning. Now, you can locate small metal objects such as coins, rings and jewelry more easily with the SRIS search coil.